Today, we make traditional red lentil soup. Let's begin.
Look at how the sweet onions become translucent as the carrots and potatoes gently sauté in that beautiful golden butter.
We start by sautéing the finest bell peppers and onions. Then, a rich dollop of concentrated tomato paste is stirred in.
Every great soup begins with a single, perfect ingredient. These red lentils are the heart of our kitchen. Slowed down, you can see the magic happen. For a true Turkish soup, we need the finest red lentils, falling slowly into the broth. Carefully selected, fresh ingredients, slow simmered to create a perfect, rich aroma. Taste the warmth of a traditional home-cooked meal.
Red lentils and fresh carrots. Simmered and blended to perfection. Pure, velvety goodness.